Good morning, YouTube. I just wanted to quickly show you my oatmeal recipe that I've been eating for probably the past like almost 2 years now, on and off, and my husband also loves this as well. It's really simple and really quick to make. We even have it for dinner a lot. But anyways, it's super simple, so I'll have the description and recipe at the bottom if you need exact measurements, but then I'll also go through them here as well. So you just start with 1 cup of almond milk or milk of your choice, half a cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. I put in 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of cacao powder, and then 1 heaping teaspoon of PB2 powder. And then I also put in about half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And so I mix all of my dry ingredients first in my bowl. I get the almond milk boiling. You have to keep a close eye on that or it will boil over. And as soon as it starts to boil, I turn it down to like a low medium heat, and then I add my dry ingredients. So I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so I've got all my dry ingredients mixed together here, and it's always best to mix them in here first because it can get kind of clumpy when you're trying to mix it in the milk. So then as soon as it starts to boil, just put all of your ingredients in there, give it a good stir. And then you're going to let this cook for usually about 5 to 8 minutes. I usually just let mine cook about 5 because I still like for my oats to have a little bit of firmness to them or bite to them. I don't like it too mushy. So then you just let this boil on low for a little while. And then as soon as it's about ready, you will top it as it's still cooking. You'll top it with some frozen berries of your choice. I like blueberries and strawberries. And so I put this in while it's still bubbling and let it defrost the berries. It also cools down the oatmeal. And then when it's done, I'll put it in my bowl and top it with 2 teaspoons of maple syrup to sweeten it up, some hemp hearts just to get some extra protein, and then just a little bit of some walnuts on top. So actually I think these are, yeah, walnuts. So anyways, I will come back and show you the end result. Okay, so this is breakfast, and it doesn't look the most appealing in the bowl, but I promise you this tastes amazing. The sweetness from the maple syrup, and then the chocolate from the cacao powder and the peanut powder is just so good. So I just sprinkled it with some of the nuts on top, some of the hemp seeds, and then you just stir it all up. And you could add bananas on top of here. You could add some shredded coconut. You know, like, the possibilities are endless. You could just make it how you want it. But the combination of the peanut butter and the chocolate and the maple syrup, to me, just makes this taste so good. So anyways, I just wanted to share this quick little recipe with you, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I will see you next time. Bye.